Next, we will teach you how to string labels. Let's tear off the original label first. Usually, we tear labels from this place, then pull this out and put it aside. This is the device to lock the label. It locks the label by locking the rubber roller. We loosen this place. After loosening on this side, there is a gap between the two rollers. In this way, we can take out the label. When collecting the label, we can collect it from the back. Suppose we string the label again. We take the label and put it on. First, put the label on the tray. Second, wrap the label around the first roller. Then pass the label through the gap of these two poles. Then this is the third one. Then here is a felt. We just press it down a little bit. Not too tight. Just like this, and then pass through the fourth roller. Then here. Then it has to pass through our label sensor. This is label sensor. Put the label in the middle of this label sensor. Then the fifth step. Now pass the label through the sixth roller. After the label passes through, we can pass through this brush and pass through the gap between the brush and the iron plate. Of course, you can also remove the brush first, and then we can let the label pass through from here. Go through the back of this stripping plate. The label will pass through from this place. From here, and pass through from here. After passing through, let the label wrap the roller. Pass the label through the gap between the two rollers, and pass through. After the label is passed through, we roll the bottom paper of this non-stick label. Roll on this roller that collects bottom paper. Then we use this button to fix the bottom paper of the label. That's it. However, we still need to organize the label. After putting it on, it still can't be used directly. We need to organize the label. Then we tighten this place. We lock the two rollers until we can't turn it anymore, because we have a limit here. This screw and the screw below are used for limiting, to limit the smallest gap between the two rollers, to ensure the label is not stuck. Then we pull the label back a little bit. Pull it back a little to make sure the label is not loose. Then this peeling plate, pay more attention here, because it's easy to break the label here. So, we need to arrange the label. And then come back. Finally, we need to straighten the label from this place. And finally retract the label here. In this way, the roll of labels is already neatly strung. You can see it goes from here to this place, then to this roller, and then here. At this time, we need to tighten the felt. Tighten it a little bit to press down the label. Press it from the middle, but don't tighten it too much. Just press it down. The label must pass through this label sensor. Then from this roller. Then come from here. Then fold over to the peel plate. Then it's done. Then behind this, Then bypass the roller. Then wrap this rubber roller. And then pass through the gap between the two rubber rollers. Then in this place, we roll the label backing paper on the roller. After we string the labels, we turn on the power. Then we can go to the touch screen. To test the label, click on the label. This is back labeling head operating. Click on the label, then click L test.